Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. So this video is actually a little bit more complicated to do, this feature is a little bit more complicated to do, but just follow along. So as you can see, in order to delete a WhatsApp message on your iPhone, this is going to be first the iPhone, then I'm going to show you an Android. So you need to look at the message that you need to delete and note down the time and date when it was sent. Then what you'll need to do is you'll need to quit the WhatsApp, turn off your cellular data, and if the mobile is attached with a wireless connection, turn that on and turn on the airplane. So turn off all the wireless connections. Then go to the settings, click on the date and time option, and now change the date and time and set the date before the time of the old WhatsApp messages. Now select the messages that need to be deleted and click on delete for everyone. Reset the date and time after waiting for 1 minute. Now this is what's working right now. So comment down below if this is working for you still. Now the second thing that you can do is on Android. So obviously again, keep track of the time and date of the messages to be deleted. Quit the WhatsApp, open the setting and go to Network and Internet tab. Under this tab, go to SIMs. Now disable roaming as well as mobile data. And then again, go to the network and internet option and activate the airplane mode. So again, pretty much the same as on iPhone, just a different kind of process and steps. Go to settings and under the system tab, select the date and time option and change it. You should select a time before the message was sent. Go back to WhatsApp and now choose the message to be deleted and delete for everyone. Now this is what's working right now, and this is what's working. So if it's not working, comment down below. But I bet this will work for you and for everyone. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.